I just made a video yesterday about how I would like to charge my River EcoFlow 2 with solar panels. So, and then oddly enough, the solar panel that I ordered came in yesterday. So now I have a dedicated 120 watt solar panel charging this EcoFlow. And right now the sun is coming up. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. So it's 120 watt maximum panel, and right now because the sun is coming up it's 30 watts, which is not a lot at this rate. If it stayed like that, it would take a long time to charge this unit, but it is actually charging and is bringing electricity to the Bob, to my backup outdoor battery, which would mean that, you know, if it can actually charge it by the end of a day, again, this is early morning, but if it could actually charge it by the end of the day, I mean, that's every time I charge it with the generator, it's €1 worth of fuel, and I'm running a generator, obviously, and then, or I plug it in somewhere, and we have to drive there to plug it in. But that's, I was excited, you know, to hook up a solar panel last night, and now the sun is out and everything is working. So we're in real time here looking at 34 watts coming in from the sun outside in quote-unquote winter, December 20th, right? 11 hours at that rate. Not so bad. So the satellite dish was mounted right there, and we're going to use it to probably plant a plantain. So yeah, I dug the satellite dish out, and as you can see, the sun is just kind of coming up here. It's like 10 a.m. coming over the hills. Then I relocated it over here in a way that would be useful for us. So now this satellite dish is aiming at the sun and getting some solar power. I mean, that's the idea, right? Pretty neat. Love it, love it, love it. So that's the sun, and there's my new solar panel. And I can, cool thing about this is I can kind of turn it. Not automatically, which would be high tech, but I can manually turn it which way the sun is going. I noticed when we first moved here that in the summertime, the sun was really bright in this area down, scorching here. And so I was thinking, I would like one more solar panel to kind of maximize on the sun coming from like this direction. And here in the winter now, like the sun is doing a more shallow circuit. So it'll rise that way and then basically stay on this circuit and kind of set over there. Well, actually, no, it sets over there in the hills. It's hard to see when it gets there. So because I can move this thing around, I can kind of turn it, turn it if I need to. So right now I don't. So now we're pumping out almost 90 watts. Pretty cool for a 120 watt solar panel during winter. And I've been turning it a little bit to match where the sun is going, but she's doing pretty good.